In this session, let us learn about HTML paragraphs. HTML paragraphs. A paragraph always starts on a new line and is usually a block of text. The HTML p element defines a paragraph. A paragraph always starts on a new line and browsers automatically add some white space, a margin before and after a paragraph. See the example code and the result. See the code is here. Doc type HTML body. P, this is a paragraph, P another paragraph, this is another paragraph. See here the result returns this. HTML display. You cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. Large or small screens and resized windows will create different results. With HTML, you cannot change the display by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML code. The browsers will automatically remove any extra spaces and lines when the page is displayed. See here the result 1 and result 2. See the code here. Doc type HTML. See the first example. This paragraph contains a lot of lines in the source code, but the browser ignores it. See here. And second, this paragraph contains a lot of spaces in the source code, but the browser ignores it. See, we have given so much space here, source and in between code. See here, but the browser ignores it. See here, there is no space between. The number of lines in a paragraph depends on the size of the browser window. If you resize the browser window, the number of lines in the paragraph will change. That is the example. Example 1 and this is the example 2. HTML horizontal rules. The HR tag defines a thematic break in an HTML page and is most often displayed as a horizontal rule. The HR element is used to separate content or define a change in the HTML page. See the code, example and result. See doc type HTML body. This is heading 1. This is some text. See, this is heading 2. This is some other text. This is heading 2. This is some other text. See here the result. This is heading 1. See the underlines like this. The HR tag is an empty tag, which means that it has no end tag. HTML line breaks. The HTML BR element defines a line break. Use BR if you want a line break, a new line without starting a new paragraph. See here doc type HTML body. This is a see here BR, we used BR, a paragraph BR with the line space. See, it's breaked. The BR tag is an empty tag, which means that it has no end tag. It will break the lines. The poem problem. This poem will display on a single line. Doc type HTML body. In HTML spaces, new lines are ignored. See here P. See, my Geeta Shri is good girl. My Geeta Shri lives in Hyderabad. My Geeta Shri was so intelligent girl. So Geeta Shri was coming to Vijayawada. See here, there is no in result here. If you execute this code, the result returns this. Solution. The HTML pre-element defines pre-formatted text. The text inside a pre-element is displayed in a fixed width font, usually Courier, and it preserves both spaces and lines breaks. See the code and result. See first you see the code. Use the code. Pre-tag preserves both spaces and the line breaks. See here the result returns this. The pre-tag preserves both space and line breaks like this. HTML tag reference. Tag reference contains additional information about HTML elements and their attributes. See the tag and description. P element defines a paragraph. HR element defines a thematic changes in the content. BR element inserts a single line break. PRE defines pre-formatted text. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 7 paragraph. In next video let us learn about another topic, styles.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.